In this video, we'll be looking at a couple of ways that we can view reports, and we'll be doing that from the web app side of the LoadTrek software. So once you've logged in from web.loadtrek.net, from the dashboard here, we'll select the Reports app. And here in the top left corner, we have one way we could search, and we can type in our keyword, HOS or vehicle, and that'll populate a list of reports. Also here in the center, we have the category list. Go ahead and make your selection there, and to the right of it here in the last column, that will populate a list of available reports according to this category. So once you've made your selection, go ahead and select Run Report. Once a report is populated, you can export any of these documents to a CSV file. Next to it is the History button. You select to see a list of reports that you have run in the past. To the right of it is the Refresh button. So we'll go ahead and look at the first report, and that's going to be the Vehicle Data Report. You can either type in vehicle data, but for this particular report, you can also type in the vehicle ID. Go ahead and enter in our date range. And select Go. Now for any reports that have the map view within the report, you're able to select this map icon and remove the map if you so choose. So this gives us timestamp, speed odometer, just all of the details for this particular vehicle, even over to the geofence. Reselect the map icon here to have the map reappear. The next report we'll be looking at is the HOS Violation and Exception Report. This populates by driver group, so we'll go ahead and select our driver group and date range. Take a look at a list of drivers that do have HOS violations. So we have driver ID name, the timestamp, but also here the status, and this will give us a list of drivers that we need to go into the HOS log and make those edits. We can simply select the driver ID, and that'll take us right over to the HOS app. Okay. And the last report we'll look at is the Geofence History by Geofence. Go ahead and enter in the geofence name, date range for it, so we have it set up. We'll highlight it over here in the map. We have the speed set at 45, and we can look down the list to see where we have any speed violation alerts here. Again, we can remove the map by selecting the map icon here. That'll give us full view. So we've completed reviewing the Reports app, and we have, again, two options to search. So you can either type in keywords here to populate the reports. We can select by category. Once we've selected our category or entered in our report here from the search box, we can select Run Report. After the report is run, we can export any of these reports to a CSV file. To see the reports that you have run in the past, you'll select the History button. Next to it is the Refresh button, and here is the map icon. You can remove the app or have it reappear within your report. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@loadtrek.net.